Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another unboxing. Again, another limited edition sneaker, as you guys can see from the box. It's a LeBron James sneaker. I'll show you guys a full 360 of the box. And obviously this is the Kith collaboration between Kith and Nike, LeBron 15. So at the top of the box we do have the King James crown logo with the Kith in the middle. And then some more details on the box. Again, we have the Kith logo and the King crown. And then the Nike swoosh. And I'll get right into the label. So LeBron 15 Performance, black multicolor. Suggested retail on these was $255. Pretty high price point, but again, with the resale prices, you know, that's actually a really good price to pay for these. Resale market, they're going around like $700-800 right now, and expect them to go up. But let's get right into the sneaker. So, opening up the box, it's just white paper, you know. I think Nike should get more creative with their papers. Like the Off-White collabs have some nice, you know, paper, but a lot of their collabs are just being pretty basic. First, we have an extra set of laces. So on it comes like all black rope lace, and then here it's black and gold. It's kind of remind me of the Watch the Throne LeBron 9s that were like a friends and family edition that came out like when the LeBron 9s dropped. But getting right into it. So here we go. These are the LeBron 15 Kith closing ceremonies. So on the left shoe we have the lion logo near the heel. And then on the right shoe we have the, you know, the Kith LeBron logo. And then it says RF inside, which is Ronnie Feig. Honestly, I think these are the best of the pack, because there was a collab with the white version of these, and then there was the black lifestyle one. This is the Performance LeBron 15, by the way, so if you guys don't know. And there was like about, you know, 6-7 different like shoes and colorways. So what these definitely I think are the best in my opinion. Like when these came out, because I seen LeBron wear these in the All-Star game last year. So when these came out, I was like you gotta cop these, you know. But you guys a closer look at everything. So the medial side, we have like the floral, you know, print going all throughout the sneaker. And then as we move around, we have a zipper that goes all the way from the toe box up to the top of the tongue. And one good thing about this, I think this is gonna be pretty durable. It looks like it's, you know, good quality. It's not gonna like rip off or fall off or, you know, get jammed or anything like that. On the laces, again, all black rope laces with the gold tips. And on this side, again, we have the floral print going from the toe all the way to the heel tab. And as we move around to the back, we have the Nike swoosh, like this pattern, diamond cut pattern. I think it looks really cool. And then we have a suede on the heel tab going all the way up to the Kith LeBron logo. Let me show you guys the insoles. So the insole features the Nike swoosh, and then inside, let's hope the camera could pick that up. It's like the LeBron Lion logo. It's not really picking it up, but pretty dope touch. The insoles are leather, so pretty high-end materials on the sneaker. Getting to the outsole, we have the typical LeBron 15 traction pattern with the spikes, and then we have the lion logo right here on the heel. I don't really think many people are going to play basketball on these, so you should be good. Even if you do play basketball, traction on the LeBron 15s is great. So the zipper, once again, so it goes all the way down if you want to unzip it. I'm not going to take it all the way down, but I'll show you guys. So when you unzip the shoe, again, inside here we have Kith written. Just pick that up. And I think it says Kith going all the way down, or maybe it says LeBron 15. I haven't really checked it out, but yeah, so that's the LeBron 15 Kith closing ceremony. Once again, in my opinion, the best out of the collab. Sizing wise, LeBron 15s either fit true to size. You could go half size up if you have like a wider foot. But typically if you get your own size, I think that should work out just fine. Again, on the sneaker, we have the same features, nothing really different. Let's see the insole. So on the right pair, the insole actually says Kith with the LeBron logo, and then we have LeBron's signature after that. So cool difference there. I do like how they did make, you know, each side a little bit different with the line and the LeBron Kith logo. So as you guys can see, gives a nice contrast to the shoe. Yeah, overall, I think, you know, really dope sneaker. If you guys do want to cop it, I suggest you guys cop it now. Prices will shoot up. The previous ones that came out, you know, like they were going for 400. Now they're like anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000, depending on which one. So yeah, if you guys want them, definitely cop them. This is by far, you know, top 5 pickups of the year for me. Probably higher because I'm a LeBron fan, but yeah, definitely one of the sneakers of the year for sure. You know, Kith and Nike always have some really nice collabs. So yeah, so if you guys like the sneaker, go ahead and cop it. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up. It goes a long way. And thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned for some more unboxings. Thank you.